Hey YouTube, Justin here from Life in the Bag. We're just about to start on another adventure to the Squamish Valley for some camping and adventure. It's a hot sunny Wednesday afternoon and we're roughly 45 minutes from Squamish and about another hour from there to our camping destination, and we hope you can come along for the ride. We'll see you there. Just driving along the Squamish Valley Road. We're driving about 6 kilometers. Looks like part of the road is flooded. Okay, so we finally made it to a camp spot. Wasn't our original intended spot, but that was taken unfortunately, and then our backup was also taken. So we're just camped just on the side of the road, a little bit in from the bridge that leads onto Elaho Forest Service Road. Deciding not to have a fire tonight, we're going to go straight into bed and watch some TV, relax. It's 9 o'clock and then we'll sleep and we'll take it from there. So I'm just going to go through our camp. Our fire's ready to go. Got ample firewood. Just charging my drone batteries. Got my 2016 Tacoma TRD Off-road Tepui Kekenham original. Mega Boom 3. One is outside, but we have 3 just plastic containers for all our camping gear and hiking gear. 5-gallon water container. So I'll go inside. It's very spacious. We bought a queen size sheet for the mattress, but it was too small, so we'll try king size. Just our lights just up there hanging for night time, and then we usually just drape over an iPad just at the top here, drape it down here, and it's almost like a little mini cinema. Hooked up to the Mega Boom. All our food, which we keep in the Yeti 65 litre. The Weber portable. Forget what size this was. It is the smallest portable size. Ample for just 2 people. Our old Coleman's cooler, where we put all our dry food, and then just a box there of utensils. So that's how we our camping setup over the weekends. And we're just camped on the edge of this river here. Up here we can see Mount Cayley in the background there. So still a beautiful view and a soothing river noise helps us sleep at night. Very soothing. So all together, beautiful spot, secluded.